Ya, oke guys, saya kembali bersama Benaya di channel Pinjam. Oke, kali ini kita di game Honkai Star Rail dan kita akan melanjutkan petualangan perintisan di Amphoros. Oke, terakhir kali dari sini ya. Oke, di dalam sini tadi ada apa ya si Mayday lagi bertemu sama Nikador ya. Yuk, kita ungkap rahasia Nikador sekarang. Masih di sini tadi. Ya, kita lapor ke Aglea.
This haven of memories. Every touch, every moment is like a fond rose. They're back.
Aglaya! Wait, where's Tribi?
She began making the necessary preparations the moment we got your message.
The city's citizens are enjoying themselves like it's any other day. Do you not see this as a crisis?
Arkema would be in constant turmoil if we were to raise the alert each time danger befell us. Silently eliminating threats and sparing them from living under the shadow of fear, that is the duty of the Chrysos heirs.
I don't see things that way. But now's not the time for arguments. The Blade of Fury has its aim trained on Kefali's heart. We need to stop the Mad Titan or the entirety of the Holy City could be reduced to ash. But Nikador has crafted an indestructible body for himself. One that can't be entirely destroyed. Mighty is buying us time. We need to cherish every second he's fought for.
You're willing yourself to stay calm, Finan. That's commendable progress. Castrum Kremnos has been shrouded in the fog far too long, leaving us unable to discover the mystery behind Nikador's undying body. We can only hope to learn the truth from one Titan.
You mean...
Lord Finon, I will join you in the audience with Orynyx. Let's hope they can restore the visions of the past and reveal the truth behind Nikador's defiance of death.
You have no clue either, Miss Casterus?
Strife and death used to be inseparable. Nikador valued honor in their glory days, so they would never have betrayed their allies back then. But their pact was broken when Nikador descended into madness. From what we know so far, and the pursuit of an immortal body, Nikador betrayed.
There's one other thing. We found a slate in Kremnos that mentioned an infiltration.
Don't worry about that. Tribi and I will do our best to protect the people of our holy city. Focus on getting to Orynyx and using whatever means possible to learn the Mad Titan's secrets. Tribi is waiting for you outside the city. Go with her to the Abyss. I will pray to Kefali that you will find success.
Jadi orang takdir dengan Tribi.
Tribi, we're ready to set off.
Okay, we've been updated on what has happened. Let us send you into the Abyss this time.
Are you sure? It's always been Trian doing this.
The 2 trips to and from Castrum Kremnos have completely drained Trian. She'll need some time to recover. We can handle this, Snowy. This is as much for Dee as it is for everyone else.
High Priest Tribi, do you have any suggestions on how we can get Orynyx to respond to us later?
Sorry. We wish we could help, Cass, but Orynyx has never been a Titan to chat or interact with humans.
I suppose we'll have to rely on ourselves then.
Tapi bukannya kita bisa pinjam kekuatannya?
It's one thing to use their powers and another to be aligned with us in war. If that Titan refuses to be on our side, we'll have to resort to a fight.
Orynyx isn't an evil Titan at heart. Let us hope things won't reach that point. Time is of the essence, everyone. We should get going. This is it! The Century Gate can only take you this far. Although the Temple of the Three Fates has been abandoned for a long time, the magical barriers woven by the priests still linger around it. Approaching with Yanis's power recklessly could be extremely risky.
We understand. Thank you, Tribi.
We have to go back to Akama to help Aglaya. Snowy and Cass, we trust that you know how to summon us when you're done. Here, keep this with you. This token is proof of a Yanis priest. Hold it up to the Gate of Infinity, and you'll be able to walk through unimpeded. Take care, alright? May Kefali light your path forward.
Important decisions will be waiting for us every step of the way. What we're about to do will not only determine Mighty's fate, but also that of every single resident in Akama. The Temple of the Three Fates is behind the Gate of Infinity, and Orynyx is at the very heart of this temple. We're going to have to find Orynyx and convince them to help us in our battle.
May everything go well for us.
Dapat hebat.
It is. The world seems to have plummeted to its end. Blink of an eye.
Yang takdir ya. Masih jadi. Oh, nggak gede mapnya. Belok kiri. Uhuh. Tampaknya beda. Ih, suara siapa tuh?
I believe that was the Titan speaking. I believe it was Orynyx. I have to listen closely to what they are saying. Devious and repulsive humans. Are you here to disturb my peace again,
Waduh.
just as disaster approaches?
Kalau bisa bahasa
Miss Castoris can understand the Titan's words. That's exactly why we need her on this trip.
itu ya. Itu malu apa?
Cease your efforts and let yourself be swallowed by the confusion of time and
Waduh.
space.
Orynyx is turning us away. It seems like we've hit an obstacle on the very first step.
Could the Titan have created this chaotic scene we see in these ruins as a barrier to hinder us?
We'll overcome any obstacle, no matter what they throw at us. Tribi gave us a demonstration when we had to pass through here the last time. It's up to us to recreate these miracles now.
Artinya,
Curse you mortals.
waduh,
Curse your pride and your merciless ways.
keren sekali. Ya. Angkatlah tirai memori dan bangkitkan dia kenangan masa lalu. Keajaiban Orynyx akan interaksi dengan buku ajaib keajaiban agar Trailblazer berpindah antara dua ruang waktu yang berbeda. Oke, di dua ruang waktu berbeda, jalur rintangan mekanisme Tiarta dan hal lainnya mungkin akan berbeda. Waduh, jauh. Petualangan siang dan malam nih. Perbedaan utama pada jalur dan target yang penting akan dimunculkan di round dan wujud memori emas. Kamu dapat mengamati dan prediksi rupa mereka di ruang waktu yang lain. Oke. Apa dia?
Oryx is saying something again.
Dia bilang apa?
Who are you to command me? Does your inhumanity know no end?
Are we
Waduh.
actually forcing the Titans to do our bidding with these miracles? We can't afford to stop and think about that right now. Let's press on.
Alah, ini apa lah? Blokir begini nih. Gelombang hitam.
Stream forth. Gleam.
Harus dibuka di waktu lain. Satu buka.
Perhaps this gate only opens in the right time dimension.
Iya. Pintu dan pola khusus. Oke, intinya yang kiri siang hari, yang kanan itu untuk malam hari. Terus yang putih itu nggak bisa. Oh, kalau putih dia nggak bisa dibuka ya.
There! Those miracle orbs are instruments often used by time priests. They could prove handy.
Hilangin dulu ini gelombang mutiara keajaiban. Oke. Cahaya mutiara keajaiban akan mengubah tempat yang disinarinya menjadi waktu-waktu yang lain. Wow, gila nih. Gunakan tombol sekitar di sudut kanan bawah untuk mematikan dan menyalakan cahaya mutiara. Oke ya.
Look! An inverse time dimension is reflected by those orbs. Let's summon another miracle. Perhaps this time we'll make it through.
Waktunya ngeri-ngeri sedap nih. Oh, tutup. Kak, tutup. Enggak, unik juga mekanismenya. Ini repot-repot yang bikin mapnya kayaknya. Jangan deh. Itu elit jangan deh. Kita butuh mobil ikannya. Lubang kireng. Oke, sudah bilang. Lubang ambil dulu. Oke. Lanjutan. Tidak peduli di ruang waktu manapun, cahaya mutiara akan terus menampilkan ruang waktu yang lain. Oke, coba.
Great. Should be smooth sailing from here.
Oh, gila deh. Itu bisa terbuka dong. Masuk kemana?
Stream forth. Gleamful blades. Perhaps there's more than one right answer.
Ini pasal juga. Sini aja dulu. Itu kalau gua jatuh gimana ya? Coba tadi. nggak bisa ya? Terus kan bisa ya? Baik aja. Bisa diperbaiki. Oke, mantap.
Seek, and you will find.
Oke, kita bakal bertemu dengan Titan Koronus.
The Gate of Infinity. It represents the divine power of Janus. According to legend, Janus is the eldest of the three Titans of Fate. They created the space of Amphorius. But the Titan has long fallen and surrendered their core flame. Tribi is the demigod that inherited their divinity.
Bagaimana cara Tribi mengalahkan Titan?
Brute force isn't the only option. Some Titans can also be vanquished other ways.
Itu ya.
But that doesn't mean Tribi isn't powerful enough. She's one of Amphorius' most revered heroes. Let's go. With Tribi's token, we should be able to go straight into the Temple of the Three Fates.
Lanjut. Tapi arah. Ada arahnya kemana lagi? Satu lagi. Kita belok sini. Ada dua jalan nih, bisa belok sana. Kita pakai jalur yang dekat ini aja ya. Depan mata tuh. Apa tuh katanya? Sorry.
Please pardon me. Words this vile should not be relayed.
Waduh, terlalu toksik. nggak mau diterjemahin.
It's not going to be easy getting Ornyx's help.
Terlalu toksik guys, makanya nggak mau diterjemahin sama si Castori. Mana nih jalannya? Lihat dulu lah.
This temple has been forsaken for so long that we have no way of telling what dangers await us behind this gate. From the way Ornyx spoke to us in the ruins, I won't count on her being cordial toward us.
Apa tuh katanya? Penuh jeruk. Lagi-lagi.
Venture no closer. Keep out. You won't find anything you desire here, save for despair and demise.
Is that you, Ornyx? Forgive me, but if you refuse to help us, then despair and demise will be all that's left on this world.
You are not welcome here. You have no right. You'll never pass my challenge.
A challenge? Great. At least they're willing to speak to us now, even if they're only making things difficult for us. Push onward, my friends, but watch your step.
This place isn't as I knew it.
Ya, lanjut. Wah, puzzle gawat. Puzzle jalan.
The scales of justice. It's my first time seeing it in its full glory.
Talantin, the second of the three Titans of Fate. They were said to have created the laws that govern our world. Talantin surrendered their core flame, though the Chrysos heir taking over their legacy is nowhere to be found today.
At least the laws that govern our world are still in place. So that demigod must be performing their duty still, no matter where they are. There's no exit in sight. How do we proceed?
Leave. Leave. Stay away from my sister's property. Leave.
Seperti milik kakaknya, Talanton ya.
There are also people who describe the three Titans of Fates to be siblings. I
Oh,
think they mean
Talanton.
Talantin's scales.
Kakaknya.
Neither of these are paths we can take, and the exit has been concealed from us. The Tome of Miracles. We'll just have to try our luck with this then.
Ya, sama ini satu-satunya jalan. Jadi siap.
Hurts. It hurts so much.
Gitu.
Does performing a miracle really subject them to that much pain?
Itu dia sengaja pura-pura kesakitan.
No, you cannot. You must not come any closer. The scales are as much an entrance as they are a challenge.
The scales. Are they expecting us to balance it?
I believe so.
Are you alright, Miss Castris?
I'm fine. It's just I can feel Orynyx's misery.
Being able to understand the Titan's words is as much an affliction as it is a gift. Let's get this over and done with.
Oke. Jurang takdir, neraca keadilan. Tempat untuk menyelesaikan ujian dari Orynyx. Kendalikan tangan Zagreus untuk menemukan dan dikembangkan.
There's an abandoned hand of Zagreus here. Let's use it.
Hehehe, lumayan nih. Alah, itu apa nih? Itu gelombang hitam dari mana? Serius banget. Sumpah gua aja masih nyoba itu kan apa itu. Ini pukul dulu.
Stream forth, gleam of old blades.
Jati.
What do you mean, Mr. Danhong?
Timbang. Wih, timbang.
Does
Keren.
this mean we've passed the challenge?
Orynyx, we completed your challenge. Can you let us pass now?
Lah,
No. Unsatisfactory. You cannot pass. Another challenge must deter the mortals.
Are they just stalling for time? We don't have the time for games.
Weights in the left weighing pan represent the fate of Amphorius. Find something that weighs more and place it in the right pan. Find something that has more weight than the fate of the world.
gitu ya. Ini semacam
They
teka-teki ya.
seem somewhat fickle. much like a child.
Something that has more weight than the fate of the world. That's a baffling riddle.
Apa yang bisa dibawa lebih berat?
Obtuse. Blind fool.
They really know how to get under someone's skin. Look, behind that gate. Isn't that the exact same type of weight? If we can use it to balance the scales and add more weight to the pan, we might be able to solve Ornyx's riddle.
Apa ya merah? Vacuum trap mobil bisa dipakai.
Stream 4. Gleam of old blades.
Ada rintangan.
Perhaps the miracle orbs can illuminate the way forward.
Wah, mapnya 3D. Kayak gini. Kita di mana sekarang? Ini kita ke bawah sini, sini. Ini ada gelombang hitam yang bentuknya kayak kotak pasir. Ini dia ada di lantai 2. Berarti kita ya gitu lah. Berarti lihat sini ya. Berarti lurus saja ya. Rintangannya di depan ya. Berarti kita luar. Oh, ada jalan di belakang. Ini gimana lihatnya? Ini masih cuma jalan menuju
Don't forget to let your friends in on the action.
di idea. Ada center mutiara. Wah, ada centernya sana, set. Aku balik.
Stream 4. Gleam of old blades.
Bagian. Aktifkan. Oke, dia bisa ganti kanan. Mana senternya aktif ya? Begitu mati kan ya tadi kayaknya. Apa ada durasinya jajan? Ini bekaknya guys. Terbiru-biru begini ya.
There, a prophecy tablet. It could be the key to unlocking the way.
ke pintu. Bentar. Sorry. Salah tadi. Malah jadi sini. Oke, nice.
Everything's going well. So far. There are also stone platforms for the Hand of Zagreus all around. This will save us the trouble of doubling back.
Jadi pemberatnya dari sini.
Stream 4.
Dengan jalan ini. Terus mana? Kendalinya. Bentar, buat kendali berat Tahan Zagreus ya. Oh iya, itu kendalinya ya ampun. Nah, tinggal ambil yang ini. Cut. Kalau sini. Oke, macam
It worked! Now the scales have once again been balanced.
Futile attempts. Give up. Give up.
We've played along with you for long enough. It's time you admitted defeat, Oryx.
Let's go and complete their challenge.
Find something that has more weight than the fate of the world.
apaan lah.
You think that you've won? Arrogant. Foolish.
Ya udah kita
Titan, are you still trying to hold out?
ya udah kalau mau lebih berat ya yuk kita berdiri di sini ya. Kita
We
berdiri di
just have to
timbangannya.
make the weighing pan on this side drop, right?
Ya.
Let's think about it. Shouldn't be that difficult.
Letakkan tombak rapi dan penting di atasnya. Terus
It didn't even move an inch. I've held his flaming lance before, and it's quite heavy. Seems like this isn't going to work.
bukan ya, kurang kali ya.
Ornyx is mocking us.
Mulai. Ya udah aku berdiri di sana ya. Turun nggak?
Come down. Seems like this isn't going to work.
Ih, nggak bisa, buset. Sekarang piringin neraca. Hidup untuk Berarti pukul-pukul nggak bisa juga.
Mister, are you feeling all right?
It seems like we can't rely on brute force to clear this challenge.
Nah, caranya apa yang lebih berat? Ini aja lah kalian berempat turun, nggak turun aja ke piring lidah. Aku nggak bisa didik.
What did they say, Castris?
Ornyx is frustrated because we're treating their challenge like a game.
Apa lah? Dan mustahil. Emangnya ada yang lebih berharga daripada mereka bahkan tidak punya pilihan kabur atau keluar angkasa.
Something that has more weight than the fate of the world.
Ya udah kola lagi Painon apa lagi berdiri lah sana.
No, Lord Finon. There must be some other way. A more comprehensive way. Even if our time is tight.
Aku paham sekarang. Pura-pura, aku juga paham. Berikan aku kamera mat. Loh. Kenapa tuh dengan kamera mat? Memang bagi orang-orang Ampere, takdir dunia adalah beban yang terlalu berat. Tapi mungkin bahkan Titan juga tidak menyangka Kalau pendatang asing seperti aku Ben dan kami belum sepenuhnya terlibat dan takdir dunia ini. Dari sudut pandang kami, ada sesuatu yang bahkan lebih penting dari dunia ini, atau bahkan seluruh alam semesta. Dan itu adalah rekan-rekan yang bertualang bersama kami. Oh anjay, gila. Lebih berat dari takdir dunia. Kalau ini yang benar, kita akan berhasil melewati tantangan Titan.
That was an unexpected solution. Thankfully, we had you two here with us.
Apa katanya?
I think that even Orynyx himself is surprised that we managed to clear the challenge.
Terkejut kan?
At least they kept their promise and opened the path for an audience.
Mana? Oh nggak bisa ya, dunia malam putar balik lagi. Sorry ya. Ribet-ribet gimana gitu ya. Kami datang ke bawah rupanya. Apa dibilangnya?
This?
Gelombang dingin masuk ke dalam. Ini suasana dingin nih.
Maybe people who have led wonderful lives would enjoy such an intrusion.
Kalau aku takut coba. Betulan, baru kali ini agak serem-serem gimana gitu masuk ke map baru.
Seek, and you will find.
Agak merinding, biasanya enggak dah. Sumpah. Jadi itu. Ini apa nih? Tempat. Oh. Ini kayak rekaman dari planet lain.
Orynyx!
Apa dibilangnya?
Leave. Leave.
Help us, Titan! Help us prevent this world from being ruined by madness!
Refuse. Refuse.
Gak mau. Wow, ini gede nih kayaknya. Gue sengaja planin jalan ya biar kelihatan sinematik. Itu misterius dan menakjubkan. Ini wujud. Aku mau potret dia lah. Aku mengerti, jarang-jarang kita bisa melihat pemandangan seperti ini. Bentuknya aneh sekali. Aku tidak merasakan tekanan darinya.
Not every Titan is as violent as Nikador. They weren't always like that either.
I have crossed the myriad passages and been judged by the scales. It has deemed me innocent and granted me fruits. O mighty Orynyx, We plead for your assistance. The madness of Nikador is pushing Amphorius toward the end times. They have abandoned their honor, replicating themselves through crazed means, and are fully intending to destroy the Skyfather and the civilization they protect. Please, reveal to us the past that has been shrouded in fog, and guide us to a way to quench this madness.
Apa katanya?
Chrysos heirs. Heroes that uphold rage, cruelty, and darkness. Pursuing the cursed prophecy. You've treated my kind as prey. In the name of deliverance, you would seize my core flame and leave me to suffer in endless isolation.
Oh, jadi siapa yang jahat ya? Jadi bingung gua.
Just leave. Even if the world will be destroyed as a result, I will not help a group of ruthless butchers.
I see. God Slayers asking their prey for assistance is a hypocritical act indeed. Then I can only apologize, as we're running out of time. If we're unable to positively conclude our negotiation, you leave me no choice but to take your core flame and search through the past locked within it.
Finon.
Castorus, our hesitation is just cruelty to Mighty. How many lives must he have lost already? My apologies, Onyx.
Difoto beneran. Apa dia bilang?
Wait. Ornyx's reaction is a little strange.
Oh gitu.
Titan, what are you muttering about? I can't make it out clearly.
Apa dia bilang? Tutup
Mother.
menarik.
Mother.
Loh. Ibu.
Mister, could you please step forward? Ornyx seems to be calling out
Ini nggak
for
salah nih,
you.
MC-nya dipanggil ibu.
Mother? Mother?
What exactly is going on?
Is that you? Is that you? Mother encountered you.
Oh,
She misses you. Follow me. Please follow me. I see you. She
Iya,
also
tapi
misses you.
negosiasi
Want to
dulu
see
di
everything
Arunnya ya.
about you.
Mengundang aku Ben.
I don't
Salah.
understand either. But if this means that Ornyx is willing to establish a connection with us, maybe it'll be worth a try. Mister, please consider carefully.
Terima.
Come with me. Follow me and join me as we look far into your past.
Ini pindah tempat tuh. Kamu lagi? Kamu mau bawa aku kemana? Kamu mau melihat memoriku? Ini kamu kepo ya? Dok. Wah, membeku buset. Ini express. Apa ini? Sebuah memori? Suara itu lagi. Aku ikuti dulu deh. Apa itu? Aku? Ada Imeko dan Danheng juga. Memori kapan ini? Ingatannya tidak ada. Hasil panen kali ini cukup baik, meski kita sedikit menyimpang dari naskah, tapi tidak lama sudah besar. Terima kasih atas kerja keras Marco Ben, aku sangat suka. Dia memang batnya sedikit keras. Aku lapar. Apa ini sesuatu ya saat kamu akan bicara? Ayo, makan malam sudah siap. Kalau mungkin kan boleh tidak kita jangan makan beef of Wall Street untuk kali ini. Kenapa? Kamu tidak suka cita rasa kampung halamanmu? Aku tidak suka rasa amis dari jeroan. Ada apa ini? Apa ini benar-benar memoriku? Aku sama sekali tidak ingat percakapan ini. Nada suara Himeko dan Danmu juga terdengar berbeda. Sebenarnya ada apa ini? Oh, Kak Blade? Tidak, ini bukan memoriku. Pasti ada kesalahan. Kak bilang, oh iya ya, ini kan dulu si Kylos kan, si Trailblazer kan dulunya emang anggota Talon Hunter. Rangkaian memori yang tidak ada lagi. Kali ini Sam juga di sini. Lah ini sewujud Sam. Mengenal diriku dari sudut pandang berbeda terasa sedikit aneh. Kok agak aneh ya? Makan segala. Gak pilih-pilih makanan ya. Ini sebelum dihapus ingatannya sama si Kappa kali ya, waktu kan awal perjalanan naskah ternyata sangat berbahaya. Kita langsung berkat pemikiran cepat aku Ben. Waduh, jadi juga ya.
Three of a kind, two pair, ace.
Keeper Ace. Ini mah kode langsung.
It's just a passphrase from the past. No matter. There won't be a need for us to use it.
Makanya Express terasa begitu asing. Iya, ini loh buset, kayak melihat masa depan, masa lalu yang hilang itu. Mana yang sebenarnya terjadi nih? Apa ini? Dan mendalam. Kenapa aku di sini? Satu mas. Dan kartu pemain akan segera bangkit. Ayo kita baca mana ini sekali lagi. Maka apa? Oh, untuk mengabaikan panggilan. Superwalk. Benar bicara dan ada wujud hologram.
What's up? I'm in a raid and don't have time for small talk.
Aku bisa gabung sama kalian.
Oh, I've only just joined recently. If you have any questions, can't you just ask
Dia pun juga masih baru.
Anyway, online games cannot be paused, so if you don't mind.
Aku khawatir kau bakal kecanduan. Udah mulai mending jadi musuh jadi N. Split. Tatapan melihat menyapu wajahmu.
What's wrong?
Aku butuh penjelasan.
Guided by the script, we've assembled here to temporarily accomplish a common goal. That's all. I don't care about anything else. I'll give you one piece of advice. Don't let Kafka down. She sacrificed a lot to keep you here.
Wait. Kok dingin ya? Apa? Kenapa aku melupakanmu? Lupa? Kenapa aku melakukan sesuatu yang buatmu kesal? Dan aku tidak ingin ada penghalang di antara kita, bahkan keraguan sekalipun. Aku rasa apa? Malah diabaikan semua loh. Aku tidak mengerti apa inti dari semua ini. Sebagian tersegel. Ibu, apa kau masih di sana? Aku bisa ngerti kata-katamu. Apa nih yang terjadi loh? Dari sini gue juga ikut pusing, astaga. Keluar jendela. Oke. Nah, castingnya lagi kan. Tadi lupa gue setting.
Bagus.
Wow. Nih, coba tuh. Gila. Dapat berkat baru. Gila, siapa di? Apa tadi? Aku harus saja buka pet baru. Ini mama Mimi. Siapa sih makhluk ribut nih? Asalnya tiba-tiba nongol begitu aja. Tuh, ada yang bisa jelaskan padaku? Ya pun juga nggak tahu. Ibu, jangan-jangan si Maria. Namamu Mem. Ingat. Panggil dia Mem aja saat ini ya. Apa kamu bisa bantu kami menemukannya? Iya. Hah? Gitu, ayo ikut aku. Aku sendiri nggak yakin. Beneran emang lupa ingatan. Oke. Jangan ini showcase pesta baru nih.
You're finally here, pal.
The script says, leave no survivors.
Kamu berdiri satu.
Let's dance, buddy.
Let's dance.
Oke.
Why do I have to be the standby support again? So
Apa
boring.
dia akan bertemu sama aku? Oke, panggil dia. Iya. Butuh bantuan bukan
Hack successful. Condition recover.
kita. GG set.
It's time to clean up.
Take this, Speedstone Crash.
You impede me. The fight is set.
Habis ngebaru nih.
Savor it. You're
Oh
unworthy
yeah, true damage.
of battle. Executing attack.
Like fireflies.
Momentum nih.
Summer sun. Until everything burns to ashes. This is more than a battle. Live to fight. Fight you. This won't take long.
A blade's edge knows no mercy.
Relax.
It's all about that adrenaline rush.
That paradise may be unreachable for me. Savor it in my place.
May as well kill them all.
Enggak, ini damage juga nih.
Good times never last. Time to say bye.
Meletup nengoknya. Oh, mau speed
breathing
normal ya?
sensation.
Jadi lu. Anjay.
Blaming me for cheating. Ban my account if you dare.
Sampai meletup.
Stand still.
Bentar, kali ini misi yang berhasil. Oke. Dan wah, lama. Juar. Oh iya. Kecil lah. Duit malah. Aduh. Ngeri buset. True damage loh. Ya. Pasti Laron Hunter menghilang. Bentar. Tunggu. Nafkah dan Firefly. Firefly pamitan saja apa ya? pilih seorang seorang dan ucapkan selamat tinggal. Itu doang kok. Terus Blade sama Silver mau kemana lagi ya? Wah, pilih apa nih? Woi. Aduh. Astaga. Firefly. Kafka. Bentar, gua. Bentar. Kalau soal lebih lama sih lebih lama bareng Kafka ya. Bukan maksudnya yang bukan berpasangan ya. Maksudnya sebagai rekan gitu, kenalan. Kalau Firefly kan memang kenalan sementara di Penaponi kan. Jadi gue gak tau juga sih pilihnya apa ya. Siapa yang mau pilih? Kafka aja lah ya. Oke lah. Baik Kafka. Bisa waktumu dalam memori ini sudah tidak banyak. Apa kamu memakai kesempatan ini untuk ucapkan selamat tinggal kepada Kafka? Oke lah. Aku Ben, kamu sudah datang. Sekali lagi kita berhasil menyelesaikan naskah dengan lancar. Ada apa? Kamu terlihat rapuh. Kita sudah lama tidak bertemu. Ayo ceritakan isi pikiranmu. Kamu sudah terbiasa curhat padaku sekarang kan? Sepertinya kita pernah bertualang bersama. Kamu kehilangan masa lalu dan kamu merasa sangat tidak percaya. Sayangnya aku bukan Destiny Slave dan tidak bisa melihat ke masa depan. Aku tidak bisa mengisi celah dalam memorimu maupun beritamu apa yang akan kita hadapi di masa depan. Momen saat kita berpisah lalu bertemu lagi. Artinya aku akan mendapatkan kembali apa yang hilang. Aku Ben, dengarkan aku. Sepertinya dalam naskah yang belum kubaca ini, kamu akan menghadapi banyak bahaya dan berakhir dalam situasi yang mengerikan. Kami mungkin juga akan mengalami banyak hal yang luar biasa dan bertemu dengan rekan-rekan yang terasa seperti keluarga. Meski tidak lagi bersama kami, Stella Road Hunter. Kamu juga akan mulai petualangan yang melampaui imajinasimu. Bagaimanapun juga, kamu memang dilahirkan untuk bertualang. Aku mau kamu selalu ingat satu hal. Kemanapun kamu pergi atau di sudut alam semesta, dimanapun kamu berada, kamu akan selalu punya sebuah tempat untuk berlindung di sisi. Oh lama. Kesabaran mungkin bukan kelebihanku, tapi aku tidak akan pernah kekurangan hal itu untukmu. Aku sudah harus pergi, Kafka. Sampai jumpa, aku Ben. Saat takdir menempatkanmu di persimpangan jalan, buatlah pilihanmu dan berani. Dan jangan takut akan penyesalan. Kata-katanya loh dalam juga ya. Gak nyesel sih pilih Kafka. Kalau Firefly mah sebentar cuma di Penaponi story-nya. Tapi kalau secara love sama Kafka udah sering ya. Set baru. Kuat apa memang friend jalan. Jadi pet remembrance ini adalah pet yang memiliki kemampuan untuk memanggil memory sprite. Artinya dia jenisnya summon ya. Sama kayak si Jingyuan sama siapa lagi tuh. Si Topaz juga. Ya memang bisa sama-sama punya summon sih. Tapi kan namanya juga update mekanisme kan belum tahu lah gitu ya. Oke, dan kemampuan khusus untuk bertempur bersama dalam pertempuran. Jadi ada 2 orang. Ketek. Choose you, baby. Kan, bukan? Oke ya. Nah, ini dia trace-nya. Aduh. Ini banyak nggak sih yang mau di-upgrade? Banyak dulu ya. Ini Herta. Herta banyak tuh kamu. Aduh, lebih banyak ini loh. Tuh. Bentar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Ini apa nih? Talent 3. Ini pun juga ada upgrade-nya jalan. Ada caranya. Banyak kali resource-nya itu. Bentar, itu udah pelan-pelan. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Talent, iyalah lebih banyak remembrance lah. Upgrade-nya repot loh. Teknik imper. Ini masih ada. Kepala gua pusing nih. Banyak banget kayaknya. Karena harus upgrade ini juga. Bagi caranya. Aduh. Ya ampun. Ini. Bentar. Harus sampai jam lagi. Akhirnya dapat juga. Tapi memang iya ini upgrade-nya lebih banyak kayaknya. Karena harus upgrade summonnya juga. Aku upgrade-nya. Aku melihat ingatan yang sangat panjang. Apa maksud? Tadi kamu cuma terdiam berdiri di sini. Kami sudah merespon memanggilmu berkali-kali, tapi kamu tetap tidak respon. Belum ada 1 menit berlalu ketika makhluk ini muncul.
Such a unique animal. Well, I think it's an animal. I've never seen anything like it before.
What a cute little creature. Is it a gift from Ornyx?
Uli memandangku. Uli? Barusan?
Fuli? What's that?
Oh iya, orang di mana tahu ya? Orang di saking terisolasi nggak ada. Mereka nggak tahu konsep tentang Eon. Ingat Eon yang kubahas selama perjalanan ke Okema? Uli adalah salah satu dari mereka dan menaungi Path Remembrance.
Ah, a god from the worlds beyond the sky.
Ya,
A miracle that is hard to see with the naked eye, right? To earn the gaze of an Eon, does that mean?
saatnya kita menghadapi Nikador. Kita harus ciptakan kembali masa lalu.
You can understand what they're saying. Collect the memories and recreate the past. How can we do that? We don't have much time left.
Itu dia nak jadi. Ini makan beritahu kita yang sudah bukan. Kalau dia benar-benar ciptaan Uli atau berhubungan dengan itu, aku percaya dia bisa mengerahkan kekuatan yang lebih besar dari keajaiban Ornyx. Yuk kita ikuti dia.
Ornyx, Have you fallen into a slumber? I don't know who the mother that you're referring to is, but thank you for all your hard work. If Titans can dream, may your dream be a sweet one.
Thank goodness we no longer have to ride the Dromus into the city. Thanks for your hard work, Treeby.
No need for formalities at a time like this. I trust you have found a solution?
Simply put, Ornyx refused to help us uncover the past of Castrum Kremnos. But for some reason, they showed interest toward this person. They, through some unknown means, gifted him this pet.
Me! Mem!
According to Dan Heng, this creature is related to a god from beyond the sky. Perhaps they can help us solve the problem.
A god from beyond the sky.
Treeby, let's split up here. I'll make my way to Kremnos immediately to lend my support to Mighty. As for the mission of finding out Nikador's weakness, can I leave it to you? I ask this sincerely, from the bottom of my heart.
Hati-hati kamu, bukan makhluk abadi.
Don't worry about me. Surviving the impossible is my specialty. Mighty and I will be waiting for you on the battlefield. Thank you. I don't have any reason to refuse. Then, this is where we part ways. Dan Heng and I will head to Castrum Kremnos immediately, while you work on uncovering the secret behind the barbaric god's indestructible body.
I'll stay with him to ensure his safety.
Waduh, jangan dah.
I'll leave it to you. Treeby, could I trouble you once again?
Of course. Just leave the Sentry Gate to us.
We're the
Kamu
only
kemana
ones left. Where should we...
Mem. Me, Mem. Mem. Me.
Temu.
Me, Mem.
Kamu sudah nyanyi.
Mem. Me.
Nah, pertanyaannya gua doang ngobak. Woi. Ngobak jantan. Woi. Oh lah. Apa lah nih? Malah gua tanah pula. Aduh. Ya udah, gampang sih, tinggal teleport aja. Iyalah, teleportnya cuma sini. Belum pasang itu loh, space hunter. Oke, kita mulai dari mana tuh? Ini aja ya. Bukan perpecahan.
There seems to be a new show at the Baxter. Me. Mem.
Kenapa?
Mem. Memmy.
Is that... Damionis? Did Lady Aglaya
Damionis,
release him already?
Dia sama sekali tidak paham ya nama. Dia terbunuh
He
kami.
certainly has a bad reputation. If it weren't for him, you and Dan Heng wouldn't have been interrogated by Lady Aglaya. But if Mem thinks he has some valuable memories, we'd better ask him in person.
Setidaknya kalau ada untungnya gampang. bisa dimakan.
Who's that? I'm busy working on a scene. Please don't. Oh, us the esteemed Outlander. How have you been? It hasn't been all that long since we last met.
Aku hampir mati gara-gara kamu.
My apologies. That was entirely my fault. I was determined to prove that a world beyond the sky exists. Fortunately, Lady Aglaia is quite lenient. I mean, she let me go after I made a vow. Rest assured, I'm not foolish enough to make the same mistake twice. And breaking a vow with Lady Aglaia would be like digging my own grave.
Kalau kamu ada memori terkait Castrum Kremnos,
Castrum Kremnos? For us unarmed civilians, Nikodor's territory is off limits. Even in the past. Oh, no. Wait, I just remembered. I did visit Castrum Kremnos once. Let me find it for you.
Okay. Tampak sumber foto yang sekilas tampak biasa.
Yes. This is the one. I can't believe I still have it.
Ini boleh dah.
Could you tell us the story behind it?
During the final days of the Chrysos War, the final festival took place in Castrum Kremnos. However, due to the tense situation, few outsiders were willing to compete. Well, I gathered the courage to go there, but I found the atmosphere of the festival to be quite strange. It felt more like the Kremnoans were preparing for a mysterious ceremony. Sensing something was off, I snapped a photo outside the city and then left. What followed was something completely unexpected.
Would you mind giving us the photo? We're trying to piece together clues from that time.
Oh, sure, take it. Think of it as my way of making it up to you.
Udah jadi. Dapat satu.
There seems to be a new show at the back.
Cartoonus. Come to think of it, I remember hearing about them making a holy vessel for Kremnos.
Oh, Castorus. Outlander as well. To Cartoonus, what brings you?
I remember the Kremnoans commissioned you to craft a divine object before. Do you happen to recall the details?
Ah, happened it did. Why ask, do you?
Untuk Mindoi, okay, Pak.
Thousands of marvels of weaponry I crafted. Remember them all. Impossible it is, Outlander. Forgive me. Help I cannot.
That makes sense. With such a long life, the Grand Craftsman can't remember every single item he's made. Is there another way?
Mem! Me! Mem!
Woi, bilang gitu. Gampang kali. Apa sih batu-batu? Fragmen memori. Ada sisa-sisa memori di dunia Amporio yang membawa jejak-jejak masa lalu dan memungkinkan kita untuk mengintip gambaran masa lalu.
Mister, are you feeling all right?
Pandangan
You
yang
were in the
berbeda.
same state as when you were with Oryx.
Oh, ini.
Grand Craftsman, would it be possible for you to craft a sword vessel that can seal divinity?
Anything my forging hammer cannot craft, there is not. The finest stones in Kremnos give me. The golden blood of Strife Titan find me. The sword vessel I shall craft.
Does that mean we have a deal? And what of your payment? For a commission of this magnitude, proper compensation must be ensured.
Payment simple. Peace for my people. Mountain dwellers, no longer servants or fighters for Kremnos. Ever.
You have my word, Grand Craftsman.
Mimi! Mimi!
Mister, are you feeling all right? You were...
Barusan lihat memori pengrajin agung.
Was it because of this little one? That's incredible. The ability to look into others' memories sounds like something that could easily be misused. Luckily, you're the one wielding it.
Mem. Mem.
Ini dapat satu. Mana dia? Mana dia?
Never save for tomorrow what you can eat today.
Me!
Ini punya air.
Mem.
Kayaknya pernah ketemu lah.
Mem.
Jangan dia pernah.
Oh, elegant lady. Are you here to listen to Lepos' song? What are you in the mood for? The love stories of the ancient Chrysosaires, the turbulent era of the Chrysos War, the rise and fall of the seaside states.
I wonder if there's a ballad about Nicadore's madness, as well as the mystery of Castrum Kremnos vanishing into the fog.
Ma'am, you have come to the right place. There is such a ballad within my collection that is yet to grace the ears of others. Allow me to sing it for you. The war of 1,000 years has drawn to its close, and now the world descends into a long night of chaos. Oh, valiant Titan, tell me, how did your golden heart shatter into 1,000 fragments? Oh God, have you grown weary of your endless strife? Then how do you justify your ruthless tyranny? And how shall you cast off the darkness that so deeply shrouds your divinity? Oh God, have you forgotten the glory of old? Then how will you defend your dignity? And where shall your faithful subjects find their home? Oh, mighty Nicador, the truth is clear to us all. Your steadfast divinity is not vanquished. You are shrouded momentarily by that encroaching black tide. But you never faltered, nor did you flee. Your golden warrior spirit, brave and bold, will conquer the black tide as foretold. To the throne of Kremnos, our god, our king, to aid your timeless struggle, we have prepared a grand ritual. Please grant us the honor to touch your soul with our humble hands and present to you this sacred sword vessel. It shall consecrate your eternal life and enshrine your everlasting glory.
Mem.
Thank you, esteemed bard with an enchanting voice. Your ballads will endure through the ages, serving as a bulwark for Akama.
Mem.
What did they say, mister? Is everything in order? If so, we need to meet up with Lords Finon and Mighty. Before we leave, I'd like to check with Lady Aglaya again. Do you mind waiting for me, mister?
Oh, boleh.
Everything's set now. Let's head out, mister.
Coba kamu takut sama Aglaya?
Scared? No. I just don't want to see her disappointed. Lady Aglaya's contributions to Akama deserve more appreciation, but people mostly see her as distant and aloof. We don't have time to talk about this right now. Let's set off. Hopefully, this little one will help us recreate the memories of Castrum Kremnos.
Mem.
Ganti sudut pandang Aglaya. Sementara itu.
Remember, Aglaya, whether it be the Chrysos heirs or the Council, our positions are entrusted to us by the people of Akama. Before you attempt to overreach and make decisions beyond your place, take a moment to recall the Chrysos War and what became of those heroes. If you're not well versed in that history, have her refresh your memory.
Do not be concerned, Elder Kynus. Following the prophecy's guidance, we shall cast down the gods. In the new world, no god will stand above humankind.
I'll hold you to that promise. The pampered little girl has grown up to be a shrewd politician. Should I be pleased or concerned?
Times are changing drastically, and people must adapt. I'm not the only one committed to making a difference, Elder Kynus. My teacher and I have other pressing matters to attend to. Please, see yourself out.
Well, I genuinely hope that at the next council meeting, you won't be the one standing in the middle, facing the judgment.
Aggie, are you all right?
It's nothing more than an empty threat, much like before. A reflection of their inner fears.
So sorry, Aggie. If we were more mature, you wouldn't have to face all this alone.
Why apologize? We each have our own responsibilities.
But seeing how they give you a hard time makes us sad and angry.
Would you like me to slice their throats with golden threads? It would be done in a flash. All I need is your blessing, and the council will be no more.
What are you talking about? Don't scare us like that, Aggie!
I'm just teasing you.
I knew you were joking. You certainly have an unorthodox way of cheering people up. However, after you said that, we somehow feel a bit better. Thank you, Aggie.
We find humor in hardship because our humanity still endures.
So, about the infiltration Snowy mentioned earlier, did you find anything?
Don't worry. Even without their intel, I've already detected hidden currents within the city. A trivial issue, nothing I can't handle on my own.
Do you need to inform the city guards?
That would alarm Archimus citizens. If they learn that the enemy can bypass the Chrysos heirs and infiltrate the city, the situation might spiral out of control.
Is there anything you'd like us to help with?
It's fine, Treeby. As we discussed earlier, you need to prepare for the Blade of Fury.
We got this. Don't exhaust yourself, Aggie.
The nymphs have located the source of the disruption. I should check with the garment maker for intel.
Don't exhaust yourself, Aggie.
Itu sudut pandang Aggie.
Infiltration. Nikador would never resort to this if they were in their right mind. What exactly led to their loss of divinity? The answer lies behind the fog. I hope Castros and that Outlander can uncover the truth. Garment Maker, can you give me the intel the nymphs have gathered? The Lower City. It's good that the infiltration hasn't reached the baths yet. The risk remains manageable. The rift must be sewn shut with golden thread before disaster occurs.
Nomadi. Aduh. Jelas guys. Karena gue udah puyeng juga main ini. Jadi udah jelas kan semuanya. Yang masih misteri ini kenapa saat entah mungkin dia lihat MC atau mungkin saat dia lihat kamera mungkin si Oronik jadi kebayang itu ya, atau dia menganggap itu ibu ya. Masih misteri banget ya. Jadi oke lah kalau gitu. Sorry kita akhiri dulu sampai sini ya guys. Nanti kita lanjutkan aja di part berikutnya. Oke, sebagai penutup gue ucapkan terima kasih kepada kalian yang sudah menonton video ini. Dan sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Dah. Aduh.